If you're constantly chasing clients, sending cold DMs, following up over and over, and you're still struggling to get people to say yes, I have some good news for you. There's a better way. Imagine if clients just started coming to you instead. Already interested, already warmed up, already convinced that you're the right person for the job. That's what attraction marketing does. And if you do it right, you'll never have to beg for business again. Hey, I'm Faye, and I help small business owners build brands that actually stand out and get clients without all of the awkward pitching, without the constant chasing, and without feeling like you're forcing a sale. The problem is a lot of business owners are working hard to promote themselves, but they're doing it the wrong way. They're pushing instead of attracting, and that's why getting clients feels so difficult. But once you understand how to pull people in instead, marketing starts to feel effortless. So let's get into it. Attraction marketing is all about setting things up so that clients can find you, trust you, and want to work with you before you even have to ask them. And there are two key parts to making this work. One is setting the bait, that's building the brand that actually makes people want to work with you. And two is putting yourself out there so that way the right people can actually find you. So let's break it all down. So, attraction marketing is exactly what it sounds like. You're attracting the right people instead of chasing them down. Most business owners focus on pushing their services onto people, cold outreach, constant pitching, paid ads, basically trying to convince people why they should care. But when you flip it and instead focus on building trust and authority, you don't have to do any convincing because people come to you because they already see your value. So, how do you even do this? It starts with one, making sure your brand and messaging are set up in a way that makes people want to follow, engage, and eventually work with you. That's the first step. And so once your brand is set up in a way that actually attracts people, now you need to just make sure they can find you. Because even if you have the best brand, the best offer, the best messaging, if no one sees it, it doesn't really matter. So this is where a lot of people drop the ball. They build the bait, but they don't actually put themselves out there enough for people to notice. Here's how you can fix that. One, creating authority building content. So people need a reason to trust you. The fastest way to build that trust is to show them what you know. Share quick tips and insights that actually help your audience. Answer common questions that are related to your industry. Show behind the scenes of your process so that people can see how you work. And maybe call out common mistakes or misconceptions in your industry. The key here, though, is giving value first. When people see you constantly providing helpful tips, they start seeing you as an expert. And when they need help, you are the first person that comes to mind for them. You should also be engaging and connecting with people. Attraction marketing isn't just about posting, it's about building relationships. If you want people to chase you, you need to be visible and actively engaging with your audience. That means replying to comments on your posts, starting conversations in your DMs without pitching right away, and engaging with other people's content in your space. When people see you showing up and engaging, they naturally become more interested in what it is you do. And the more connected they feel to you, the more likely they are to reach out when they are ready to invest. And from there, keep showing up consistently. This is kind of where most people mess up. They post for a week, maybe a couple, and they don't see instant results. And then they disappear. They just stop trying. But the thing is, trust is built over time. The more people see your name, your content, and your tips, the more likely they are to remember you when they are ready to buy. So don't overthink every post, don't stress about being perfect, but focus on showing up consistently and staying top of mind. And when you combine everything, a strong brand, social proof, authority building content, and consistent engagement, you end up not having to work as hard to get clients. Instead of chasing people down, they come to you. They've already seen your value, they already trust you, and by the time they reach out, they're already interested in working with you. No convincing, no chasing, no exhausting follow-ups. And that is how you make marketing feel effortless. So if you're tired of chasing clients, start shifting your focus. Build a brand that's actually worth chasing. Make sure your messaging, your visuals, and your social proof are set up to attract the right people. Put yourself out there in a way that shows your expertise. Share value, engage with your audience, and position yourself as the go-to expert. And stay consistent. Trust takes time, but when you keep showing up, the right clients will come to you. So yeah, let me know in the comments, are you currently chasing clients or are they coming to you? And if you want more branding and marketing tips like this, definitely like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!